It's texture time at the Nest School. Our little creators explored the world of textures through hands-on mosaic making activity, and the results were absolutely amazing. Using materials like sandpaper, bubble wrap, cardboard, ice cream sticks, cotton, woolen thread, color tapes, and crepe paper, our learners experimented, explored, and expressed very freely. From hard to soft, bumpy to bubbly, rough to hairy, and even crushed textures, each child designed a unique piece of art that brought these sensory elements together in one beautiful mosaic. This activity not only boosted creativity but also strengthened their fine motor skills, sensory awareness, and descriptive vocabulary. Swipe to see some more amazing textured masterpieces.